embarrassed about Gary's show?
Kim, I ruined a man's life. He hates me.
Doesn't hate you that much. Hi, Jerry.
Good news, Nikki.
You gonna do the show?
No, I said good news. My agent got a call from a producer who claims that a woman harassed him into watching a tape of my show. No need. He wants me to do a new TV show called Once a Star. Former television stars are gonna live under one roof in a beautiful Malibu beach house.
I told you it would work out. Guess I'm gonna be such a bad man as I thought.
You stunk.
Now about my 10%.
I'll buy it.